Good evening, ma'am. So my name is Ghanshyam Patel and my ID is 17C071. So I basically develop one project which is detecting and decoding a QR code. So basically it will recognize in the image whether this is a QR code or not. So the basic I have used the OpenCV library for this. So the first is I have just read the image. So basically this is a QR code image. So after that it will recognize that basically it is QR code or not. So from the using OpenCV library, I just created one object called QR code detector. So using this object, I just decode that image. So basically after decoding that it will give me the decoded text. So basically I've just on created a particular QR code and I just give some text to behind them, so it will decode and also it will fetch some feature. So let's run it. So it will take time. So basically, decode text will extract what is inside that, and the points it is basically the feature extract. So it will extract some feature. So if we see what is decoded text, so I've just created that. This is what message I left behind that, and the points which are extracted feature. So the points are these are the points. So these are the feature extracted from the particular image. So basically if this type of features are there in the QR code, when only it will recognize that this is a QR code. So after that I just created one function. So if there is a points is inside that in the QR code, then also it will execute. Otherwise there is no QR code. Suppose there will be photo without QR code, so basically there will be no feature extracted which will look like as a QR code. So it will neglect it and it will just print a QR code not selected. So these are the feature, and after that it will count how many points. So now what it will do, that it will just one by one iterate and it will eliminate one by one line, and just using this line function it will using this line function it will just eliminate one by one row, and eliminate after delimiting one by one tuple, it will just uh, draw the border in the blue line. So basic border will look like the blue, and this is a printed decode. We'll just print that decoded text and just image. So I will just run it this, and this will be the image. I'll just given that. So basically it will recognize that this is a QR code, and if I just give them another image which is not uh, image, then it will mm, so I'll just give image which is not QR code, so there will be no point, and also the image as you can see there is no QR code not selected. So basically this is what my project is. Thank you, ma'am.